I want to talk about this expandable carry-on suitcase that Level8 sent me to do a video on. I am excited to have this. I've got a big trip coming up, and my carry-on suitcase is about 25 years old. I'm definitely in need of an upgrade, and I really got one here. See right here, you got two carry handles, really nice leather quality. Right here, you've got a 4-level handle right there. On the side, you've got the quote unquote hidden little compartment there. There's another one on the other side, and we're going to dig in a little bit more and see some of the other compartments. And the first thing that really sticks out to me is how smooth these zippers are. Incredibly smooth. Right there, a small shallow pocket. That's going to be great for travel documents, I think. Right here, opening up. This one right here, I think I'm going to call this my tech pocket. This is going to be great for your laptop. You got easy accessibility for TSA. You can put some of your other technology gadgets in there if you travel with them. If not, you got room for other gear. And included, they threw in a TSA lock, which was very nice of them as well. That's always handy to have. Next, unzipping, there's another compartment here that we're going to take a look at. Smaller one right there for smaller items. Shallow, but plenty of storage space in here. And now we're going to take a look at the big compartment. And once again, the zippers are smooth. And opening up, and you can see right here, plenty of space to work with without a doubt. On the right hand side there, you see you've got a compartment you can put smaller items in if you want to keep them separated. Right here in the main compartment, you see right there a separator. Plenty of space for pretty much anything that you're going to need to bring with you. Right there, this is pretty cool. A little see-through pouch. I think that'll be great for toiletry, stuff like that, or pretty much anything you want. And I'm thoroughly impressed with the build quality. It's solid, and it looks great. It's just a sleek looking black. Right there is the expandable zipper. That zipper will expand it to make it a little bit larger, but it looks phenomenal. And probably my favorite feature right here, maybe I'm still just a little kid, but just watch the way this thing moves. It's going to look great and travel easy going through the airport. If you'd like to pick up some great travel luggage, click on the link in the description below.